Hello people, welcome to my channel. So I am here with my next blog, Trip to Australia Block 3, Sydney. As we landed to Sydney, we were welcomed by Mallikarjun uncle, Rajesh uncle, Basavaraj uncle and Hemant uncle. We straight away went to see the night view of North Sydney. So next day morning we went to Circular Quay railway station. From there we went on a ferry ride to the Manly Beach. The beach was very clean and nice to enjoy. After that, we went to Opera House. We enjoyed the place Sydney Harbour and the bridge too. In the eve, we went to Statue of Queen Victoria and ended the day by shopping. Next day morning, we went to Helensburgh, Vishnu and Shiva temple. After that, we went to Stanwell Park. It was too cold, extreme cold actually. ಇದನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೀ ಕ್ಲಿಫ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಾಡ್ದೇನೆ ಇರೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಡುಗಳನ್ನು.
Closing, FM playing, you, me, you, ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ loving down.
ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸು? ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ. ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು. We went to Sublime Point. The view there was really fantastic and amazing. A group selfie with our loved ones. Thank you Basavaraj uncle, thank you Mallikarjun uncle, thank you Hemant uncle for making your time and coming with us. We really enjoyed your company. Thank you so much. We came back home, got ready and performed. We got felicitated and a standing ovation by all the audience there. Thank you so much. Thank you all the Sydney family for such a beautiful arrangement and taking care of us so nicely. Miss you all. Hope to see you all soon. We took a last selfie. A mandatory pic with our beloved Basavaraj uncle. Miss you. Thank you so much. So our trip comes to an end. Thank you once again all the members of Sydney, Brisbane and Melbourne. We all really enjoyed being with you all. We are going back with lots and lots of memories which will be cherished lifelong. Thanks for all your love, care and support. Hope to see you all soon. Miss you all. Lots of love. Nimma Preetiya Ananya. I'm glad that my dad's childhood friend met me in Melbourne. Thank you Vijay and an uncle for coming and encouraging me. Thank you so much. Time to leave Sydney. Miss this wonderful trip. Yes, it's time to leave, but we are taking lots of memories with us. Back home, back to India. In the Bangalore International Airport. Thank you teacher for the wonderful opportunity. It was a wonderful trip. We all really enjoyed. So hip hip hooray! Successfully completed our trip. So I hope you all like the video. I'll tell you how our parents and our loved ones welcomed us to India in my next vlog, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.